Hey, this is a test video to see the audio loudness of, well, Team Fortress 2 compared to my mic. There'll be a lot of speaking in this one because I just want to see how loud the game is compared to my mic and make sure it is balanced correctly. And I'll just keep speaking while I do certain actions just to see, how loud it is. And I'm dead. Oh my gosh, why are there so many spies? This is just sad, honestly. That was good. So we're just gonna see. Gonna see how loud all this stuff is compared to my voice. I'm trying to think of things to say, it's hard. Alright, let's go. Ooh, we're alive. No, I died. Freaking spy. I forgot. I think I had charge, I didn't even see. Okay. Easy. Simple. What? Okay. I thought I was at an angle where you can't really get backstab, but I forgot. It's pretty much every angle. Do this. Yes! Thank you, friends. Alright, we did it. Good luck, team. Oh! We're alive, baby. Not anymore. You can see I can already eat it again. That's great. And it's already back? Dude, that thing's crazy. I can just always heal my teammates. Oh, damn. I did not know he had oomph. That is... Oh, that sucks.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You are! That was a good voice line, Evie. We got that, baby. Woo. No, I didn't kill him. That's alright. Good match. Alright, I think that's enough, so I'll just end it.